Hey guys, so we are heading out to see what we can find for Black Friday. And then I'm going to pick up a few things for a few DIY videos that I'm going to be doing very soon. So let's go. Oh, what?
You're not driving.
I'm not driving. I'm going to drive now. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Everybody.
Hey guys, so I'm at the Dollar Tree. Just got here. Let's see if I can find everything that I was looking for. Hopefully. Hey guys, I stopped here to pick up a few of the items that I needed for the DIY project that I'm going to be doing. You guys will be seeing soon. I'll probably do it within the next maybe 2 days. Hopefully. I probably can kill it and get it out the way right away. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick up a few of the things that I need. Gray's sleeping in the car with his dad, so I got to come in here by myself for a little bit. So I don't have my little tripod, so I might not record everything in the store, but I'll try to get some shots, or maybe I'll just do a recap of what I got once I get to the house. So yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, so I'm just ringing up at the Dollar Tree, and there's this really nice cashier. Great customer service, by the way. And I got to tell him about my channel. He says he will check us out, so yay! Look at me out here networking. I am so proud of myself, you guys. Ooh, ooh. So I just bought the things that I was going to use in my upcoming DIY video. I'm really excited to show you guys that and see how it goes. It's actually going to be my first time doing this project, so hopefully it looks nice and hopefully you guys like it and hopefully you guys are inspired. So now we are just getting ready to check out Target, and I think that's pretty much going to be it for today. Gray's out. He wants no part of Black Friday. He's tired. He's out. And I'm trying to vlog as much as I can in the stores, you guys, but I kind of feel like it's too hectic right now to do, like, hold your phone and all that. And then, like I said previously, I actually forgot my tripod at home. So I'll try to see what I can do. Yep, we're heading to Target now. We are in Target and we're stopping at Starbucks to get our buy one get one free. And then when we leave here, we'll be heading to another Target. So yeah, hopefully they have the InstaPot there. I don't know. We'll see.
They have 9.
Yeah, but they never have anything that they say they have. So we'll see when we get there. But you guys, I had to get my fix first. Waiting for my Frappuccino.
You're looking at the wrong spot. I'm tripping.
That's right.
Right.
Yeah, I do that too. I told you guys, using the phone is so hard to like record because you don't know where you're looking at. So we'll get used to it. You guys, we came to another location and they had 2 left. I got my pressure cooker. Ooh, ooh. It comes with a $10 gift card too, so yay! Can't wait to cook some recipes up in that and share those with you guys. Super excited. And yes, Gray is still sleeping. Okay guys, so the pressure cooker that we had, we just went to ring up and it was not the right one. They are actually completely sold out, even though an associate said that they had 9 in stock. They have none in stock. So hopefully we'll try again tomorrow. I don't know, like, you guys, I'm getting this pressure cooker. I don't care what I have to do, what Target I have to go to. I'm getting it, you guys. So you know that. But anyways, so we're getting ready to head home now. Probably gonna start shooting another video. Also, if you guys see a few videos with me wearing the same thing, it's because I did like more than one video in the same day. So I'm gonna start doing that more often. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here. And Gray is still asleep, you guys. He's like over the shopping. He's done. He's done. Just a heads up, guys. There will not be a Cooking with Gray this Friday, but there will be one next Friday, Lord willing. Yeah, it was just so much going on, and we have so much food left over from Thanksgiving, well, yesterday. So, yeah, there won't be any Cooking with Gray, but he's really sad and he really wants to do another one. So, be looking for his little show next week, Friday, guys. So, we are home now. We didn't really find much out for Black Friday, which I didn't really think we were really looking for anything, but I really wanted the InstaPot, the pressure cooker. You guys, I'm still gonna try to get that. Like, I have to get that. Like, you guys are gonna see a lot of that in my recipe videos once I get it. Like, that's all I want for Christmas. But yeah, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna find it or I'm gonna cry, you guys. So yeah, we stopped at a few places. We got a few goodies. I was going to show you guys what I got from the dollar store, but I'm not. I'm going to wait until I do the video because I'm so excited. However, if you guys think this hat is cute, my hair is like puffing it out, but if you guys think this hat is cute, I got it from Walmart. It has like little, I don't know if you guys can see it, like little sparkles. It's so cute. I actually did a DIY video just a few minutes ago. So if you're interested in seeing what I did to this cute hat, feel free to check out that next video. And Gray is awake, you guys, in case you guys were wondering. He's just really tired. We stayed out really late last night. So I think that's pretty much what it was. He's just really tired. So yeah. Check out that next video that's coming, guys. And I hope you guys are all safe and having a great day. Love you guys. Bye.